Today I'm going to show you a trick with your Subaru to reset your window switch. Say you are sitting in the driver's side, you go to use your switch to roll down the passenger window and it's not operating properly. But you go to the passenger side, you go to click the switch and it works just fine. Well, a lot of people initially will think that something is electronically going wrong with their car, but that is not the case. This is something that can happen on what appears to be practically any Subaru model, and it's not excluded to one particular model year either. So it doesn't matter if you have a Subaru Outback like we were sitting in today, a Subaru Forester, Crosstrek, Legacy, you name it, and it doesn't have to be a newer model. This can happen on older models as well, and it's something that I get asked about often when customers come in, kind of frantic, understandably so, that something is going on with their windows and it's not working properly. Here's how you do it. So you simply put the car in accessory mode first. Now, if you have push button start to put your car in accessory mode, you, without your foot on the brake, you tap this power button twice. That puts it in accessory mode. If you have a key ignition, you just click it over twice and that will put your Subaru in accessory mode. So now with your Subaru in accessory mode, what you're going to want to do is go around to the passenger side of your vehicle, click and hold this window switch down. So we're gonna open the window up completely and hold it for a few seconds after it has opened. And now, once you have it completely open, go the opposite direction. We're gonna close the window back and you're going to continue holding on this switch to keep the switch up for just a few seconds after the window is completely closed. Now, once you've done that, go around to the driver's side and test that switch that wasn't working before. So now you click that switch and the window works again. So that is how you reset your switch if it is not working. Now, why does this happen? It happens often when your vehicle is getting worked on. If your battery has died, if you have to get jump started, something like that. If the battery has been disconnected, a lot of times that can reset the electronic system that operates those window switches. Hopefully this has addressed your issue and saved you a trip to the Subaru service department. If you have any questions, as always, leave those down in the comment section below. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you in the next one.